Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm back with the second part of this multi-part video series on improving the quality of digital content either for YouTube or for any digital purposes. So let's switch back to the second part of this series. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the screencasting or screen recording softwares which I use to record content for my YouTube channel. I am currently recording this particular video on this Camtasia Studio. I would like to start with this Camtasia Studio, and second I will be explaining about Screencast-O-Matic. So first of all, what is Camtasia Studio and how to get it? Basically, this is one of the leading softwares for screencasting and screen recording. It's a very lightweight software, but it packs a lot of features inside it. For example, it is not only used for screencasting, but you can also use it for editing the video, editing audio, removing some part from the recorded video, etc, etc. You can even add annotations, you can even add captions, text, images. It has got a media library section from where you can choose images, audio, small videos, intros, outros and whatnot. I once again would like to reiterate that I am not sponsoring any application. I am just sharing the experiences of mine, what softwares I use to record my video content. I would like to show you a quick demo of this particular application. I am already having it running in the background. You can have a look. You can see there are a few sample audio video captures over here. These are basically the captures I have made during recording this presentation. So you can see that I am having multiple fractions of audio video snippets over here. These are nothing but the recorded portions. Sometimes we are not in a position to record in a single shot, so you can record it in parts and then keep on adding it, editing it as per your wish. You can see that we can simply raise the volume, remove some noise if we wish to. We can even silence the audio in some portion of the videos. We would not like the audio to be played, so in those areas we can silence the audio. We can edit the audio clip. We can change the audio clip speed from here. So it depends on your creativity what exactly you want from the final output. So you can see on the left hand side we are having the media section. The media is nothing but the recordings which you are currently doing. Then the library section I was talking about, you can see there are n number of icons over here. Depending upon your wish, you can simply drag and drop the icons as per your wish. Obviously they will be limited because this is not a full-fledged editing software, but it has some features through which you can keep on editing your videos as well. So apart from this, you can see here that we are having some intro videos. If you want, I can show you. This is just an intro video. You have to keep the alignment properly and then play it. Once again would like to reiterate that I am not sponsoring any application. I am just sharing the experiences of mine. You just saw what happened. The audio is nothing but the fraction of the audio which I had recorded just a few minutes back, and the video is playing in the background. So you can select n number of videos provided over here, or you can use your creativity to create your own video. Similarly, you're having music tracks which are copyright free. You can use it in your YouTube videos, whatever digital medium you're planning to upload your video to. You can simply use the outros. They are similar to the intros. They give you a professional look. Similarly, you can see annotations. You can drag and drop the annotations. You can write anything you wish over here. Just change the color from this pane. For example, you want some captions to be playing along the video, so you can do so. So this is how you can put captions. Similarly, you can put animations in the form of transitions in between the slides. You can put some behaviors. These are nothing but similar to your word art, clip art kind of thing. Similarly, animations, you can zoom in, zoom out. This is very much important. Cursor effects. For example, in some videos, when you are explaining something, you need to have the viewer's attention to some part of the video. So you can do so with the help of this cursor highlight. Just drag it and drop it over here. So wherever your mouse will move, you can see on this particular fraction of the video. I once again would like to reiterate. You can see that wherever your mouse is moving, that particular cursor is also shown in yellow light. Got it? This is how the cursor highlight thing works. You can even add voice narration directly from here, or you can do it while recording your video using this particular software. Similarly, you can add some effects to it, fade out, fade in, noise removal, etc. So you can see that this particular software packs a lot of features, so we can't simply call it as a video recorder or a screen recorder. It can even double up as a video editing software option as well. So this was all about this Camtasia Studio. This is not free, of course. It comes for around 20,000 rupees one-time payment, but you can obviously opt for the trial version. It's, I guess, 30 days free trial. But if you're really serious about your own YouTube channel, then I recommend you using it, buying it, because you don't want any complications or problems related to your channel. So I would not recommend pirated softwares for your new channel or your YouTube channel. So you can buy it if you're really serious about it, or otherwise, as I had told in the introductory video, that I would be discussing about the free options as well. So you can see I have the Screencast-O-Matic software. This is 90% similar to what output you are achieving with the help of Camtasia, but obviously there are limitations. So let's switch to screencast-o-matic.com. You can see it is also having a paid version, but you can record decent videos with the free option as well. So what you need to do is you simply need to click on this start recording for free, and a small application gets downloaded onto your machine. Open it, and then you can see what exactly happens. It's very simple. You have to click on launch free recorder. It will automatically open up. The only thing is, this is only providing you the option of screen recording and nothing you can do other than that. For example, you can't edit your videos, you can't keep on changing the noise levels, you can't edit your audios. The only thing you can do with this free version is simply record your video, download it, and you can upload it directly. Along with this, it is also having one limitation of time, that is, it can be run for only 15 minutes. That is, you can record a video of maximum length 15 minutes. With this, I simply mean that each video can be of maximum length 15 minutes. You can use this software multiple times. You can create multiple videos of 15 minutes and then combine them using any other video editors available freely. So it's really simple to use. For new YouTubers or new content creators, I would suggest this particular software, Screencast-O-Matic, because it is available freely, and it also has that cursor highlight option. So you don't need to add it arbitrarily. You have it inbuilt in this particular software. So if you're looking for a simple screencasting option, screen recording option, then you can go for it. But if you want a full-fledged editing software as well along with a screen recorder, then you should go with Camtasia. So that's all for this particular video. Do leave your comments, your suggestions. You can simply leave your comments in the comment section. I would definitely get back to it. And any other suggestion you have for any other future videos you want me to record, I would be definitely happy to address to those concerns of yours. Thanks a lot for being an awesome audience. Do show your love in the form of likes and shares. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far. Thanks a lot for being there. Thank you so much.